Hello everyone. In this lecture today I'm going to talk to you about how to convert the decimal number into binary number and also binary number into decimal number. So before I go into the conversion, first I would like to give you the introduction of what is a binary number and what is a decimal number. Okay, so basically what we have is that in binary number system, bi means 2. In binary number system we use two digits, and those two digits are 1 and 0. Okay, these are the two digits that are used in binary number system. Okay, these are used in binary number system. Okay, whereas in decimal number system we use the digits, decimal number system we use digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 0 to 9. So in binary number system, to write any number, we are going to use only these two digits 1 and 0. Whereas in decimal, this is the commonly used number system, we use 0 to 9. Okay, so this 405, how do you know that this is a binary number or a decimal number? This is a decimal number because it involves 4 and 5, right? So if I had written here 1, 1, 0, so this number is a binary number because it only has two digits, right? So for decimal numbers, to represent decimal number, they can be written as 405 base 10. Okay, for the binary number they could be written as 110 base 2. But normally these bases for decimal numbers in our regular life we don't use this 10 base. For binary number we have to use this to distinguish it from the decimal number, because some binary numbers are similar to decimal number. So in nutshell, what I want to say here is that binary number systems uses two digits 1 and 0, whereas the decimal number system uses 0 to 9, these 10 digits, okay, from 0 to 9. Okay, so this is the definition of binary number system and decimal number system. So then now how to convert the decimal number into binary number? So this is the decimal number we have. How can you convert it into the binary number? What we need to do, first we need to divide the number by the 2. Yeah, binary, so we divide it by 2, and we have to arrange the remainder in a column and rewrite the remainder from bottom to top. Okay, so we will do that conversion here. Okay, so what we have, okay, this was all the introduction. So what we have 405. Okay, this is the number that has been given to us. What we will do, we will divide this number by 2. So when we divide this 405 by 2, so 2 times 2, so here it will be 4, so 2, when 0 is divided by 2, this here will have 0, and when 5 is divided by 2, so 2 times 2 is 4, so then it will be 2, and then we will have remainder 1. Okay, so when we divide 405 by 2, we will get 202, remainder 1. We don't write in the point form, okay, we just write in the even numbers. Okay, so not in the even numbers, sorry to say, but we only write, we don't use decimals. Okay, in this system the most important thing you need to understand is that you are not writing the number after division in the point form. Okay, you will always write in the form of remainder and without without these decimals. Okay, so when we divide 405 by 2, we will have 202 and remainder 1. And when we divide this 202 by 2, then we will get 2. When 2 is divided by 2, we will get 1. When 0 is divided by 2, we will get 0. And when 2 is divided by 2, we will get 1. And the remainder is 0. And the next is that when we divide this 101 by 2, so when 10 is divided by 2, we will get 5. And when 1 is divided by 2, we will get 0, because we don't write in the form of decimals, but the remainder will be 1. Okay, and the next is that when we divide this, okay, we again divide this 50 by 2, so then we will get 2, and so 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 is there, 10, so 2 5s are 10, so 25. So here the remainder will be 1. Sorry, I can write this remainder 1 here. Okay, so kindly ignore this one. Yeah, so and now we have 25, then we need to divide this 25 by 2 again. So when 25 is divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 1, and 5 divided by 2 is 2 and the remainder will be 1. Okay, and again, so we divide this 12 by 2, so 2, it will be times 6 and the remainder is 0. And then we divide this 6 by 2 and we will get 3 and the remainder is 0. And when we divide this 3 by 2, we'll get here 1 and the remainder is also 1. And finally, when we divide this 1 by 2, here it will be 0 and here it will be 1, the remainder, because we don't write in the point form. So when 1 is divided by 2, so we will get 0 here and the remainder will be 1. So 2 times 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, so now we have, these are the reminders. And to convert, so how we are going to write these reminders? From bottom to top. Okay, so this is the rule. Look at this point number 3. To convert decimal number into binary number, we need to rewrite the remainder from bottom to top. Okay, so then 405 will be equal to 1 1 0 0 1 and again 1 1 0 1. Okay, so basically 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 and 0 1, and you can write 2 in the base because it's a binary number, so we write 2 in the base. For decimal number, we can also write 10 in the base, but it's not needed. For the binary number, you can always write 2 in the base. Okay, so when we convert this 405 decimal number into binary number, so this is our answer. Okay, so now we are done with how to convert decimal number into binary number. Now we will move to how to convert the binary number into decimal number. So this is the binary number that has been given to us, and how to convert it into the decimal number. As you know that the binary number has only 2 digits, 1 and 2, and the base as 2, right? So 1 and 0. So these are the two digits, and base as 2. So the rule is that you count the number of digits. Okay, so first you need to count the number of digits, how many digits we have. So basically 1 2 3 4, we don't include this one because this is base. So 1 2 3 4, so basically we have n equals to 4. This is the number of digits. And then what we need to do, we need to multiply the first digit from the left by 2 to the power n minus 1. So then we will start from the left. Okay, so we go from left to right. Okay, this is important, guys. We go from left to right. So what we will do is that first we will write this first digit, so which is 1. Okay, 1 times 2 to the power n minus 1. So if you look at the formula here, the formula says this 2 to the power n minus 1. So 2 to the power n. So how many n? What is the n? 1 2 3 4. The value of n is 4, so it will be 4 minus 1. Okay, and then we'll write plus. Okay, so first we took 1 and multiplied it by 2 to the power n minus 1, which is 4 minus 1, and take plus. And we have another one, so second digit is also 1. Then we write 1 and we multiply this with 2 to the power n minus 1. N is 4, but now it will not be minus 1, it will be minus 2. Look here, 2 to the power n minus 2 and 2 to the power n minus 3 for the another digit, third digit, and 2 to the power n minus 4 for the fifth digit, and so on. Okay, so this is the formula. So then we took the second digit, which is 1, and multiplied it by 2 to the power n minus 2. Okay, so 4 minus 2 plus, and we take third digit is also 1. Okay, we write 1 and multiplied by 2 to the power 4 minus 3. Okay, because it is the third digit, so it will be n minus 3. So we took third digit. Okay, third digit is also n. And finally we have our fourth digit, which is 0. So we write 0 and times 2 to the power, so basically it will be n minus 4. So we have 4 minus 4 because the value of n is 4, total number of digit. Okay, so now we have this, guys. Okay, so then we can simplify this. So 1 times 2 to the power 4 minus 1 is 3, plus 1 times 2 to the power 4 minus 2 is 2, plus 1 times 2 to the power 4 minus 3 is 2 to the power 1 plus 0 times 4 minus 2 to the power 4 minus 4 is 0 times 2 to the power 0. Okay, so this is what we have. And then what we can do, okay, so guys, you know, right, when we have, okay, I can show you here, when we have in the power form, so 2 to the power 3, it means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 3 times, so which is 8. So 2 to the power 2, which means 2 multiplied by 2, which means 4. And 2 to the power 1 is 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2. And 2 to the power 0 is 1. You should know that the power of any digit or number, 0 power of any digit or number is always 1. So for example, if it's 2 to the power 0 is 1, even if it's 3 to the power 0, it will always be 1, or 4 to the power 0, or whatever the number here, the power, that means n to the power 0 is always equal to 1. This is this one you should remember. Okay, so then we can simply put the values for these 2 to the power. So 1 times 2 to the power 3 is 8, plus 1 times 2 to the power 2 is 4, plus 1 times 2 to the power 1 is 2 1 times, and plus 0 times 2 to the power 0 is 1. So you can simplify this. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 times 2 is 2, plus 0 times 1 is 0. So this is actually 8 4 12 to 14. So this is the answer, guys. So basically, when we convert this 11102 binary number into decimal number, this is the answer. So to summarize, so you have your binary number. What you will do, you will count number of digits, so 1 2 3 4, and you will write n equals to 4, and you will take the leftmost number, you will take the left and multiply it by 2 to the power n minus 1, so basically 4 minus 1, and here n minus 2, 2 to the power multiplication by n minus 2 to the power n minus 2, so 1 times 2 to the power 4 minus 2, because second digit is 1, and you will take the third digit times 2 to the power n minus 3, and you will take the last digit is fourth digit, so 0 times fourth digit is 0, and you will simply multiply it by 2 to the power 4 minus 4, because it will be n minus 4. And then you will simplify this, and the answer is 14. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for your attention.